Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Facebook page permanently. If you are very annoyed with your Facebook page and you want to delete it, you can do it very easily. Just be with me. When you will open your Facebook page, this will be your interface, because it will take you to the profile of your Facebook page. Now from the profile you need to go to your Facebook page, so click on your picture from the right hand side corner, and then you will find an arrow here, and underneath your profile you will get your desired Facebook page. It can be at any name. My Facebook page name is Petpo. I will click on that, then it will take it to my Facebook page. Okay, then go to settings and privacy. Here click on that, click on settings. Now go downwards, and there you will find access and control. Then click on access and control, click on deactivation relation. Okay, now from here you can easily select two things. First of all, you can deactivate your page for temporary time, or you can delete your page permanently. Okay, I want to delete my page, so I will click on delete page and click on continue. You can select anything that I want to spend. Okay, continue. I'll click on continue. I need to, if I give my password here and I click on continue, it will automatically delete my page. As I don't want to delete my page, I'm just showing you guys. So just enter your password and click on continue, and it will automatically delete your page. Okay, so by this simple process you can easily delete your Facebook page. So if you like the video, subscribe to our channel. Do let us in the comment section what kind of Facebook videos you like from us. We will see you in another video. Thank you.